Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to bypass a Roblox ban using a VPN. Firstly, select a reliable VPN with strong privacy features like NordVPN. Install the VPN app on your device. Roblox is available on Windows, Mac, Android and iOS. You install Roblox completely from your device and delete any files associated with it. Restart your device, open the VPN app and connect to a server in a different location. Choosing a nearby server can help maintain a faster connection. Install Roblox again and sign up using a different email address and username. Just familiarize yourself with Roblox terms of service and community rules to avoid future bans. While a VPN may help you access Roblox, it's important to follow the platform's rules to prevent additional bans. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.